So, today we're going to talk about Kant's deontological ethics and Sarah's moral decision. So, in this situation, Sarah has a really tough choice. Either she cheats on the exam or pass, or stays honest and risk failing. So, according to Immanuel Kant's deontological ethics, what makes an action moral isn't the result or what happens afterward, but whether it follows moral duty and universal moral law. So, for Kant, the intention behind what you do is what really matters. So, in other words, you should do the right thing just because it's right, not because it gives you a good outcome or it makes life easier. So if Sarah decides to cheat, she's going against her duty to be honest and fair. Kant has this idea called categorical imperative, which basically means only act accordingly to the rule and you'd be okay with everyone following. So Sarah should ask herself, what if everyone cheated on the exams whenever they were struggling? If that happened, then exams would lose their purpose, and honesty in school wouldn't mean anything anymore. That is why for Kant, cheating can't ever be morally right because it's not something you could apply to everyone without ruining the system. Kant also says that we should treat people as ends in themselves, not just as means to an end. This means we should respect others' dignity and not use them for our own benefit. If Sarah cheats, then she's kind of using her teacher and classmates as a means to get a good grade. Instead of respecting effort and the fairness of the process, even though Sarah's situation is hard, Kant would still say that moral duty should come first, no matter what. Doing what's right shouldn't depend on how convenient or comfortable it is. So, based on Kant's ethics, and the right choice for Sarah is to stay honest and not cheat, even if means even if it means failing or struggling. It might hurt in the short term, but she'd be doing the right thing for the right reason. Her choice would show integrity, respect, and commitment to moral duty. For Kant, that's what makes an action moral, acting out of duty, not self interest. Thank you.